Lime scale. I don't want that in my coffee. Ugh. Let's get rid of it. So I'm in the kitchen having a bit of a tidy up. Nothing out of the ordinary, just a bit of a tidy up. And I looked at the kettle and I went, ugh. I think it's time I gave the kettle a good clean. And I didn't know what to use, so what did we do? What do we always do? We go to YouTube. The information that I found said mix up half and half of vinegar and water. So I've still got some vinegar left over from that horrible experience of cleaning my grout on my floor with vinegar and bicarb. Don't even go there, don't want to talk about it. So I thought I'd give this a try and use this up. Half and half. So it's 2 cups of water, 2 cups of vinegar, and boil it. And now we leave it till it's cool. Well, I don't have all day to hang around and wait until this is completely cold. It's cooled down enough that I can handle it without scalding myself. So let's have a look inside. It's cleaned it a bit. Whoop. Let's give it a scrub. Well, that's not making any difference. Just got a whiff of vinegar up my nose. Nah. It's cleaner than it was. With some lemon in it. I've now got even less time to stand around and wait for the water to cool. Let's see if the lemons have made a difference. Wow! I don't know whether the lemons finished what the vinegar started or whether the lemons just did the job they were supposed to do, but wow, look at that. All of that brown scale stuff is gone. Nice one. I'm going to give this a nice clean up on the outside. I'm going to rinse it and boil it a couple of times with just plain water to get rid of any taste or residue. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's all pretty at the end. And here we are. It's good as new. A little bit of a clean. It's come up pretty schmick. Another look at the inside. All of that lime scale is gone. That looks brilliant. So like I said before, I don't know whether the vinegar started the job and the lemon just finished it off, or whether, I don't know what, but either way, if you've got vinegar, use it. You might have to do it a couple of times to get rid of the lime scale. If you haven't got vinegar and you've got a lemon, chop the lemon up, drop it in and boil the crap out of it, and yeah, that was wow. So definitely, out of those two, I would definitely go the lemon. Good luck, hope it works for you. Let me know how it goes. Bye. I think it's time for a coffee.